How to record Instagram story without holding a record button. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to record Instagram story without holding a record button. So let's begin. The very first step is to make sure first that your Instagram app is up to date. So to do that, just simply open your App Store or your Google Play Store, search for Instagram, and then click on the Update button whenever it is available. So updating your Instagram app is very crucial so that you may have this option called hands-free. So once you have updated your Instagram app, then you may open it and then go to your stories section by swiping right like this one. Make sure that you're on the story section by clicking on story right here. And then on your toolbar, either on the left side or the right side, click on this drop down button and then choose the hands-free option right here with this icon. So click on hands-free, and what you're going to do right here is to simply press once on the record button right here. If you want a timer, then you should press and hold onto this button and then a timer will appear on your screen. So again, just a recap, what you're going to do first is to update your Instagram app and then swipe right on your Instagram app to go to the story section. Click on the drop down button either on the left side or the right side of your screen and click on hands free and press on the record button. So that's it. That's how you can record Instagram story without holding a record button.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.